To run this program, load the necessary board manager and libraries as given in the instruction manual. Install the COM port USB driver. For more details, follow the driver installation manual. Initialize the required variables and I/O interface. Understanding each instruction, pause the video and read the comments. Compile and run the program. Open the serial monitor for checking the result. Follow the methods as shown in the video to observe the output. Remove the SD card from the Cloud PLC and put it into your PC using an SD card reader. Open the CSV file and check the logged real-time data. You can download this code by clicking the above GitHub link.